Okay, in this video, we'll go over how to modify the contact form, which is this form here. So, as always, you log in to the back end of the website. Once you log in, you go to the front end of the website using visit site. Then you enable Visual Builder. So now the Visual Builder is being enabled. Give it a few seconds. Okay, so Visual Builder is enabled. Now you scroll down to the contact form, and just like everything, you hover your mouse over it and click on the black gear button, and that opens the contact form settings. So the services needed, the checkboxes, these checkboxes are inside the services needed field. So if you click on the gearbox for that, and if you go inside field options, you will see the checkboxes. So if you want to add a new one, all you do is click on the new one and type, say, new treatment option, and then we'll move this to number 2, for example. So using the move button, you can just drag this up to the second spot, accept the changes again, and you can see the new treatment has been added. So that's how you add a new treatment. And like always, you save your work. So now you'll see on your checkboxes, after the equine boarding, the new treatment option is the second option. Okay, so next thing what we'll do is delete that, just to show how you can delete any other options. Like if you had to delete Centurion 4PH blanket or anything else, this is how you would do it. So after enabling the Visual Builder again, you go back to the contact form, click on the gear button, go to the service needed gear button, and go to the field options. And this, in this case, this is the one that we want to delete. The new treatment option is what we want to delete. So all you do is just hit the trash can icon on the far right, and it's gone. Accept the change, accept the change, and save. And we exit the Visual Builder. There you have it. That's in a nutshell how you modify the contact form options for the checkboxes. Thank you for watching. This tutorial was brought to you by fullwebsolutions.com.